In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method or bank account or a prepaid card to Venmo. Also add a Visa card on Venmo as well. So first things first, you go to Me tab. Then after going to Me tab, you go to the wallet section. After that, you have to scroll down to banks and cards. After that, you will need to go and swipe to the left and tap on Add a Bank or Card. Select your preferred verification method. And there are a few important things to keep in mind when you add your payment methods. Do not enter the check number that appears after your account number, because this can cause transfers to fail or be rejected by your bank. And when you add your bank to Venmo manually, we'll send microtransfers to your bank account and withdraw them to verify ownership. This will each be $1 or less. So to avoid any overdraft or other bank fees, make sure you have at least $2 in your bank account. So once you add a bank account to Venmo, we strongly recommend that you verify it before initiating any transfer. And payments funded by credit cards are subject to our standard 3% fee. So after that, you just have to go and follow the direction. And you could also add a prepaid card